Today, we're turning your voice
into Ghostface and freak out your friends on Fortnite, Discord, or Roblox. Let's see how to use a Ghostface voice changer in online games and chats, all in real time.
And we'll be using EaseUS VoiceWave to sound like Ghostface from Scream with that chilling
Hello,
horror
Carly.
vibe. Select the Ghostface AI voice effect under the horror sound category. And yes, there are also so many other horror voices for you to choose. Just click it.
Instantly, you'll sound just like Ghostface in seconds, creepy charm and all. Yo, that's so cool. Then you can test your voice and adjust the settings to achieve the desired effect. A little deeper or much higher. Okay, I want this deep voice, and now I'll show you how to add this real-time voice changer in game chats.
For example, in Fortnite settings, open your mic and pick the VoiceWave mic as your input device.
Never say I'll be right back. So let's find something more fun. Hey. Oh, I'm just right behind you. What's your favorite weapon in Fortnite?
Huh?
Don't worry, I only kill the ones I like.
What? You asked me?
Just kidding. GG, sweetheart. I'll call you back next round.
Oh.
And for Discord or
What?
Roblox, you just need to select the VoiceWave virtual microphone as your input device in voice chat.
Yeah, it's that simple. Totally Ghostface vibes now. I can't wait to start my voice troll calls. Let's see them scream.
What's up?